Guys, for today's video, titingnan natin si SPayLater by Shopee. SPayLater by Shopee, anong meron naman sa kanya? May changes na ba nangyari since last year? May mga updates ba? Or how much is the interest nga ba? And this is for 2025 review natin. So samahan niyo ako, pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience or meron akong knowledge na ginawa ko na ng videos and playlists na makita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay guys, so SPayLater. So SPayLater, brief background. So makikita nyo lang siya sa loob ng Shopee. Tapos, this is financed by C-Money Limited. And C-Money is a financial company na sister company ni Shopee, ni C-Bank, na under the umbrella of C Limited. Pangunahan ko na po kayo, medyo biased po ako with SPayLater kasi for me po, gamit na gamit ko siya for couple of benefits na gusto kong i-highlight sa inyo later on. But right now, sabi ko po na close ko na lahat po ng utang ko with Shopee, so wala na po akong kailangang bayaran sa kanila. But this is one of my go-to loan service. So, digest na po natin siya. Okay, so you can apply for SPayLater within the Shopee naman. You just need to activate it once it is offered to you. So, para gawin yon, click nyo lang itong Me tab and then iselect nyo yung SPayLater and then click Activate Now. Then you can fill in the OTP na binigay sa inyong registered number. After that, click Continue and then you now need to upload your valid government ID and other details required dun sa information. And then, after which, magkakaroon na kayo ng facial verification. After that, just click OK. Ito po yung mga types of government IDs accepted. Hindi ko na po sasabihin. Pause nyo na lang po itong video na to. Okay, usually naman po, once it is offered to you for you to activate, pre-approved naman na po ang inyong credit. So, more on documentation na lang yung nangyayari. Basically, mabilis din po ang pagbibigay nila. In as fast as 5 minutes, makikita nyo na po ang inyong SPayLater credit limit. Meron naman din po dyan na inaabot ng 24 to 48 hours subject for further verification po ni C-Money. So, here are the things na kailangan natin i-highlight when using SPayLater. Number one, you really start small in getting an SPayLater credit line. May iba pa dyan, nakikita ko na around 1,500 lang ang SPayLater credit. But don't get sad kasi the continuous na paggamit nyo ng SPayLater at pagbabayad nyo ng maayos, in turn nakikita yan at tinataasan nila ang credit line. Hindi ko na nga alam kung gaano kadami na ang credit line increase instance na nabigay sa akin. Kasi merong permanent increase at saka merong temporary increase. Yung temporary increase kasi, nangyayari yan kapag may mga promos, so tataasan nila by usually 10,000 to 15,000, ganyan. And then mawawala din or mag-expire kapag hindi mo naman nagamit. And then the permanent increase, wherein hindi na nag-expire at yun na talaga ang credit line mo moving forward. Number two, and this is one of the best, is that yung SPayLater credit natin, pwede natin gamitin sa Shopee and then sa mga offline merchants. Sa mga may QR code, QR merchants, sa mga restaurants, sa malls, yan. Also pay for gadget outside, yan, magagamit po natin yung SPayLater. Though your mileage may vary, yung interest po sa akin, nag-range lang po yan ng 3.5 pataas na interest. Just to show you, ito po. So, ito po sa SPayLater, up to 12 months, kung pipiliin ko po yan, recommended yan up to 12 months, 942.87, 942.87 times 12, lumalabas na 11,314, i-minus po natin ang principal na 7,676, 7,676. Ito po yung total interest na babayaran natin. I-divide natin yan sa 7,676. Lumalabas po na 47% per annum or yan, 3.95%. Mas mataas lang po ng 0.95% sa ating mga credit card. But if you compare this sa Bilis cash flow na 4.09%, okay na rin naman po ito. Kaso nga lang po, this is for your purchases. Merong mga parang loophole to convert it. You can check na lang po this video or kung active pa, ito na lang po. Yun po yung mga loophole to convert that credit line to cash. Pero I think it is best na lang to use it for the intended purpose. Parang pag meron po kayo kasi neto at malaki yung credit line, umabot ng 40, 50, di ba, 60, 70, parang mas okay na gawin na lang cash. Kaya yun po yung madalas na hinahanap ng mga tao na how to convert SPayLater to cash. Number 3, si SPayLater, meron pa siyang additional boost. Iba pa to sa permanent credit line increase, sa temporary credit line increase. Meron pang SPayLater Extra. Okay, SPayLater Extra, ito yung parang bilis limit boost wherein yan yung credit line mo. For me, example, ito nakita nyo, 85,000. Tapos kung bibili ako na kunyari ng gadget sa labas, bibili ako ng cellphone. And guys, right now lang, yun ang disadvantage. Kung gagamitin nyo itong SPay Later Extra is pang cellphone lang po siya. And meron lang limited merchants, which is ito. Yan. But, it acts like the Bilis Limit Boost. So, itong SPay Later Extra, i-request mo siya. Pagka-request mo, tataas na yung credit line mo, and then pwede mo nang ipambayad yan dun sa offline merchants. Number 4, well, si Shopee, meron din siya minsan ng mga promotion. And this promotion is, sinasabi nila parang 0% interest. Once na merong promotion yan, it's good time to grab your SPay Later Extra and bilhin yung kailangan mo talaga. For example na lang, kami bumibili ng supplies like yung bigas namin, yung shirataki rice, well, it really costs us much. Para nangyayari, every month kami bumibili ng bigas or every time na merong 0% interest. Kasi instead of me paying cash para bumili nung shirataki rice, well, I can use my SPay Later and pay for up to 3 months na 0% ang interest. Yes, kapag meron pa promo si Shopee, meron dyan na 1 month na 0% and then meron ding up to 3 months. Meron pa nga minsan na, lalo na pag gadget promotion nila, umaabot ng up to 6 months. Diba? Instead of you paying cash, pwede mong ilagay muna yung cash mo sa own bank or C-Bank. Well guys, ito yung mga referral code ko if in case na gusto nyo magkaroon ng C-Bank and own bank. Well, kikita pa yung cash nyo. Tapos babayaran nyo si SPay Later on a monthly nang walang additional interest charge. Diba? And number 5, yung activities nyo dito kay SPay Later gets reported kay CIC. Baka utang kayo ng utang tapos ayaw nyo bayaran. It gets reported kay CIC under C-Money or C-Bank pa nga yata. Kapag utang kayo ng utang dyan at nababayaran nyo, well and good. Well and good. However, if naman pumapalya kayo, ang sakit po niyan sa credit score nyo. Having this loan service can really help you if you really want to better your credit score. And later on, baka pag maganda na yung credit score nyo, pwede na kayo mag-loan sa bank, di ba? Okay, that's for our review for SPay Later this 2025. For our question of the day, do you get tempted ba na gumastos kapag meron kayong nakikitang malaking amount, like etong SPay Later na to, and do you give in to your temptation? Sulat nyo po yan sa comment section sa baba at may chance kayong manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay at Benjamin Mayores III8296. Sabi niya, no need na sir ng insurance. Shoutout sir sa next video nyo sir. At Benjamin Mayores III8296, shoutout po sa inyo. Maraming salamat at na-appreciate nyo po yung content na ginagawa ko. Thank you so much. I hope you like this video. Leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala na problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button and also that bell button sa tabi ng subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!